Put the place up, yeah we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little major.
What's up guys? Freezing cold. Anyway, it's a new week and it's time for a new vlog. In the last one we tuned the cooling system on the RC390, but today gonna be all about that 390 Duke and its Supermoto mode. Now it's time to learn how to properly slide into the corner in a Supermoto mode, and for that we found a location. It's actually a training facility for learning how to properly ride a car, bike, roller skates, bicycle, I don't know, whatever, but we're gonna learn how to properly slide into the corner. And for that I called some reinforcements, and this guy knows how to ride a Supermoto bike. What's up, Marko? That's Marko Ukota. He's an Italian Supermoto trophy champion and he knows how to drift a bike, right?
Yeah. Hey, check it.
I like drifting, but I don't know why I need to slide into the corner. Why is that good?
It's basically good because you can brake later, get on the throttle sooner, and your lap times get better.
Okay, that sounds good.
Plus you look cool.
Okay, I'm still a bit nervous, so I want first you show me some sliding and then I'm warm up enough, so give me some rock and roll first, please.
Okay, let's get it sideways.
Hey, check it.
Motivation is on. I think now it's my turn. What do you say, Marko?
Yeah, go give it a try.
Do you think he's gonna fail first or nail it?
I think it's gonna be hard, but he'll get it at the end of the day. The two most common mistakes are locking up the rear tire and not using the clutch enough on downshifting, which results in rear end chattering.
I was going like a Italian champion, right? 1 foot down, nice in the curve, but I just didn't do the curve.
Not even close. You're not listening to me.
Okay.
I told you, don't block the rear wheel.
Okay.
This is not a stunt bike.
Okay.
You have to keep it spinning and get it sideways. If you block, you're gonna crash.
Okay, understand. What I just realized that this bike has a slipper clutch, so I don't need to use my clutch. So just downshift and control with a rear brake, but not locking the rear brake.
Exactly. KTM has made your life easy.
Okay, thank you KTM. Let's put this 390 Duke sideways, Supermoto style.
The place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get
To control the slide, you need to successfully use 4 elements on the bike. So when you enter the corner, you need to downshift as many gears as you need. Second, you need to find the sweet spot with the clutch. If you pull it in too much, you won't get sideways. If you pull it in too little, you will get chattering on your rear wheel. Third, the rear brake. You need to use it alongside the engine braking. Be careful not to use it too much or you can lock up the rear wheel. Use it gradually so you feel the back end brake away and you don't overdo it. And last, the front brake. You need to enter the corner at enough speed so you can use the front brake enough to unload the rear wheel, which will make sliding the bike much easier.
Put the place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser. Face up, now I feel a little major. Blink of an eye, ego I'm a taker. Shaker, yeah, she was a ball shaker, she shaking.
What do you say, Marko? I'm getting closer?
Yes, you need some practice, but you'll get there.
Yeah, it's like all the tricks don't work in one day, right?
Exactly.
So I think it's your turn. You should try the 390. What you say? You want to try?
Yeah, I can try.
Okay, and let's use this corner. We always switching corners here. We try different styles, different corners to find a harder one for Marko. Do you think they use slipper clutch?
I don't think so. They don't.
You are doing wrong. sliding the clutch and a little bit brake, and this is how you drift the car.
But they don't have Supermoto mode, so...
They don't have a Supermoto mode. Switching the driver.
It's hard to give your bike away to another rider.
When you know that it's a good rider, then it's no problem, but the other thing is he gonna go over the limit maybe. I'm not sure.
Also, it's not his bike, so he doesn't care.
That's true, so...
It would be nice to have some crash protectors now.
We should add some crash cage when Marko is riding. Now I was going a little bit careful since I promised KTM I will not destroy the bike. I know Marko can do it, so Marko, give us a little bit rock and roll.
Let's go.
His motocross boots are not really right boots for the street bike, but we want to try more, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give him time. He needs to get used to the bike. Damn rain, man. Now just when we had fun, we need to quit. Ugh, this weather. Did you see that, dude? That was Marko, sideways, properly. So I was a rookie, I showed you some rookie skills. Marko showed you some pro skills. Anyway, I had lots of fun. I made the first baby steps into sliding. You had fun?
Yeah, lots of fun.
What do you say about the 390 Duke?
I can confirm the Supermoto mode works very well.
So we have a green light from the professional Supermoto rider. So good job KTM, Supermoto mode is working perfectly. It was also easy for me to learn the first steps. And yeah, follow Marko on Instagram. He has also a lot of Supermoto cool pictures, videos. What's your Instagram?
Get Low Racing.
Get Low Racing. So follow Marko on Instagram. Drop some comments below if you also try the Supermoto mode on the Duke 390, and if you have some information what we maybe forget to say, drop the comments below. That's it for this time. See you next week. Until then, rock on.
Ne poskušajte tega na cesti, ostanite varni.